Welcome to the short story of GitHub. Before GitHub, coding was often messy, and keeping track of code versions felt like searching for lost items in a game. In 2008, Tom Preston Werner, Chris Wanstrath, and PJ Hyatt set out to change this landscape, giving birth to GitHub. It quickly evolved, becoming a cornerstone of collaborative software development. GitHub, at its core, is a platform built around Git, a version control system that organizes code into repositories. Within these repositories, developers work with branches and make commits, tracking changes along the way. Pull requests and issue tracking facilitate code reviews, discussions, and issue resolution. Forks enable developers to create their own copies of a project, fostering experimentation and contribution. Pull requests are the heart of collaboration, where proposed changes are submitted, reviewed, and merged. GitHub's impact extends globally, powering projects, businesses, and open-source communities worldwide. From pioneering technologies to government initiatives, GitHub serves as the epicenter of innovation. As we conclude our visual journey, remember that GitHub is not just a platform. It's a testament to the power of collective effort. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of GitHub. Stay connected, stay collaborative.